Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to get yourself a nice looking logo, and this is really important is because you want to look as professional as you can, and this helps build trust, and it's something that you have to do. If you're good at making logos or designing graphics, you can do it yourself, but simply just head over to fiverr.com. It's fiverr.com, and under services, just search up logo design, and you'll see tons of results, and you can get it for just $5. It's super cheap, and you get something really good from Fiverr. And if you want, you can filter by average customer review. That way you get the best seller. And like look at this one, 32k reviews, so this seller is probably amazing. So you could just make your logo from here, and let me show you how it's done. So on this page, all you have to do is just come here, click on proceed to order, and just given the info, and that's it. They'll take care of the rest. Once you have the logo, just head over to your store, and under settings, just give it a second. Sorry, my bad. All right, there you go. And under themes, customize theme. And over here in the header, just change up the logo, upload image, and this will allow you to upload your logo and put in the logo, and you'll have a nice looking logo over here. And this is something that's really important, and you should not just put the default looking basically this over here, and you should really outsource a logo from Fiverr, and yeah, that's about it. And this really helps with branding. So I hope you get a good idea of how to get a logo, and if you want, you can of course make it yourself like I said, but make sure you get it. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.